Today I want to share with you an n8n alternative. We talked about a few of these on the channel already, and I'll leave a link to the others at the end of this video. But this is Bind AI. I don't have affiliate code or anything like that for you. I just think this is something that you should check out. You can actually start completely for free to experiment to decide if this is for you, and then the premium tier starts at $18 a month. What this is a code editor. You can essentially use this in order to build your own little mini AI apps, okay? The thing that really excites me about this is actually the GitHub integration and the fact that you can take GitHub repositories that are out there already, these repositories, and you can take them, even if they're public, and then you can use them within your AI tool. So we can see here that we can see what the dashboard looks like. And you can actually work with AI in order to build the tool for you. We've shown you this in previous videos, tools that work similar to this. And you could just go through and talk in everyday language, and it will go through and it will build your tool for you. It says create WordPress plugins, landing pages, full stack web applications, all of them with AI. So I'll leave a link to this down in the description, and you can have a play around with this. But it gives you some ideas of different things that you can do. You can see the sample prompt. You're not having to use any code, anything like that. You just use your everyday language, hit try prompt, and it's going to be able to kick out something for you. And then you can just go through and you can start to edit what it gives you, improve it, and then build your own little mini app. And if you can find a small corner of the internet that is underserved, a community that's underserved, and build something for them, even if you're just charging a few dollars for use, then that is mortgage paying money for you to get started. If you're a more serious developer, you can build full-scale tools, WordPress plugins with this. But as you can see, they're putting together a complete jobs board here for developers. I've got loads and loads of ideas on the web page of what you can do with this. And like I said, you can build with the AI. So for free, you get unlimited access to their Copilot. You get access to their models, which is more than enough to build an MVP of a product that you want a business to test, or you want to sell, or get beta testers to test. You can bring your own API keys if you want to, but you don't get the GitHub integrations. If you want that, then it's $18 a month, which I think for what you're getting is very, very reasonable. And you can then create with AI as well if you want the $18. And if you have your product built, you can then publish to Vercel as well if you are at that point. So if you want to try this out, link in the description. Like I said, it's completely free to try it. If you're interested, just go down to the comments and put code. And what I'll do is I'll log in. I'll show you a few different things that you could build with this, and you can sort of see if this is worth it. But as it's $0 for you to test out, you might as well just log in yourself and have a go. If you're interested in building with n8n Make with Claude, then I suggest you check out this video on the screen, and we'll see you in the next one.